Hey, welcome Intro Law students. This is our new webpage as well as screencast for the first part of the week here as we get things going for telelearning. Again, my hope is to get you guys kind of set up with familiarity of this website. And then from there, run you through kind of expectations for today and tomorrow. And if there's anything I can do, hopefully I can kind of set the foundation for us moving forward. And then as always, please ask questions via email. cklog@nsd.org will be the best place to reach me. And I, again, have already received a lot of questions from you guys so far. So thank you for your help. This is kind of rollout number 2. Hopefully now all the links and everything is ready to go. One of the first stops you see as you kind of scroll down our homepage here is the attendance. To take attendance, simply click on the hyperlinks here that you'll see right here in the middle, or you can click on it as another spot right down here. Again, one of those two will take you to this attendance question. This attendance question is meant to take attendance for the days of March 9th and March 10th. And we'll be looking to do this twice a week. Just by taking attendance twice a week, I can count that as evidence of your continued learning while at home, so that hopefully, again, we're able to have a summer this year. Down here at the bottom, very easy question just on the website. What can I do? What can I make better? I want to make this hopefully a transition that is fluid and workful for you guys. So click out of there. That, boom, again, will be your attendance for the day. If you answer that question, it gets recorded. As of right now, I have 9 students recorded for the Intro to Law class as of 4:48 on Monday. This next second attendance will be later in the week. Will be dropped at, again, 9 a.m. on Thursday, and then will be checked at 9 p.m., so 36 hours later here on the Friday, the very next day. The little note over to the side tells you we will not be using Google Classroom. This will be our one-stop shop. This website here, we're going to drop everything into here and make it hopefully streamlined for you. For our current unit here is constitutional law. For the actual unit packet is hyperlinked here. And here is our kind of run through for our video project we're looking to do. This is, again, a work in progress. You can see there's a couple of students who are on here right now. I'll continue to keep updating this for you as we move this project forward. Hopefully staying 1 to 2 days ahead of you. Work-wise, again, as you have questions, please let me know. And we'll keep working on that, putting that together. Yeah, for sure. Move down, screencasts. I'll keep updating them here. And then we also have down below some of the constitutional law videos I showed you the other day. I'll put these up hopefully live for you here shortly, if not by later this evening. And then last but not least, this Google slide. This will be kind of our class agenda that you see on the front board every single day. Here is for today, Monday, as I run you through kind of expectations for the day and the week, and then just conclude this kind of screencast. Number 1, take attendance. If you haven't done so already, jump on that question, answer that, and that's your attendance for these first 2 days. Next, again, we're looking to set up your current unit assignment, and I'll show you how to do that. And then last but not least, if you, by the time you leave for the day, going into tomorrow, if you are able to email your team and leaders, your members as well, and then a question that you have that you're answering for the North Creek Law Campus question. All right. For the week, tennis, again, that's what we just covered there for the day. To be honest with you, I kind of carried it over into Tuesday because of my poor rollout of the website earlier in the day. So hopefully this helps you guys out by an extra day there. For the most part, then it pushes it back a day already within the unit, but no worries. Gives you the whole week then to kind of focus on research. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to update into the website here when it comes to links. This kind of links heading here, I have to be updated on here. Some real good links for you later on today or this evening of some places to check out, as well as like our school campus code book and stuff like that. Research carries you throughout the week, and then boom, moving forward in the next week, you then will be talking about what type of video and outlining in that project going. So you run through the day, again, taking attendance to those Google Forms up on the homepage. From there, you are self-selecting to work either as an individual or as a team up to 4 max members. Within that 4, please make sure you email over not only each other's contact information, but also to me, team leaders, if you can, by the end of the day, if going by the end of the day Tuesday, who all your members are, what the actual question is you're working on, the constitutional amendment it connects to. If you need help with the connection, let me know. I got you guys there. And if I was you, hint-wise, I would pick a North Creek campus law first before deciding maybe what amendment. It seems to be easier to work that way for most teams in the past. As we go forward, I already got one received already from one of your colleagues, your peers there. So again, you can see the student name is working individually. Question that they're looking to work on is, can North Creek High School officials lawfully dissemble a peaceful student protest taking place on school grounds, a First Amendment case, a freedom of speech? That's a great one. I love that one. And that would be a kind of example for you guys when it comes to how to set this up. Going to Tuesday, I already got Tuesday on here for you guys as well. And again, hopefully the week schedule will help you guys when it comes to pacing wise. Somebody did give me a great advice about possibly adding a calendar overall to the website, and I love it. And I'll look to see if I can't get that hooked up here to the homepage as soon as possible for you. Going back again to the homepage, hopefully this is our kind of one-stop shop for you guys for the class. These frequently asked questions have already come up, and as I get more of these from your peers, I'll continue to look to update these as we go forward. Thank you guys for, again, working through this with me, and hopefully together we'll still be able to carry you guys a solid quality education. Thank you guys, and I will talk to you later in the week.